Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see posts that you've commented on Facebook. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you left a comment on a post and you want to go ahead and check that comment. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, in the upper right-hand corner, click on your profile name, and then click on Settings and Privacy. Next, click on Activity Log, and then you're going to see a list of different activities here. So you can see your search history, comments, stories activity, group posts, and comments. So in order to see comments that you've made or posts that you made comments on, you can click on Comments. And this right here is basically going to show you any posts that you've gone ahead and made a comment on. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.